Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, January the 8th, and in this week you need to be working on the descriptive analytics work. Let me show you the calendar just to remind you where we are and what's going on in the class. We're here at the very beginning. This first week we're just working on descriptive analytics, and you'll be doing that again next Monday. Next Wednesday you'll need to come in class prepared to discuss your findings and what you've learned about descriptive analytics in class, and we'll have hopefully a pretty good discussion together about descriptive analytics next Wednesday. Here in the class you find this folder titled Descriptive Analytics, and if you click on the Start Here button, this link will open up. I'm working from home today, so you hear my baby girl playing in the background. This is just some things to help you get started to understand the three different types of analytics, and some videos here that I think you should take a look at. It's not about statistics, but there's a lot of different things to consider here. So you're going to learn a lot. You do not have to do this. Let's see. Okay, this was from an old class, so I'm going to delete that. You don't have to find the vocabulary terms. I've already presented that to you. So you're going to start here and watch those videos to get a good idea of what's going on, and then you look at the vocabulary spreadsheet, and you may want to print this out and just take a look at it and take some time to consider the different terms that people found last semester when they were looking this up. And this is a very good list of different terms that were important in dealing with descriptive analytics. Okay, so there's some just basic terminology, and then you'll come back to the examples, and this is where it really starts to get fun, is looking at the examples of what people are doing with data analytics. I don't remember why this one is in red, so I'm going to take it out. But so I want you to look over these. You don't have to read all of them, just pick 4 or 5 of them and take a look at these articles. You're going to find them interesting when you start looking at the different things that people are doing with data analytics. For example, here's an article right here about Netflix and how Netflix uses descriptive analytics to find correlations among different movies that subscribers rent by matching the users' attributes to others. So they create types of users, and then they take the movies that they watch and they use that to market those movies to other people to try to help you find the things that you might enjoy. So that's just one of the ways that Netflix uses descriptive analytics, and you're going to find this with other companies as well that are using descriptive analytics to find just basic correlations, and that's a big part of it. Okay, so you're going to look at the examples there, and then your project description, what you're actually going to do for the class is the 2 learning objectives. You need to be able to define typical terms, which that's the vocabulary, and then be able to discuss advantages and disadvantages by comparison and contrast of real-world applications. So the first thing you need to do is review the vocabulary. Second thing is choose 2 of the articles, preferably related articles, maybe the same company or same topic, from the posted examples page. And then find at least 2 more articles that are more recent that are related to the topic. Okay, your topic could be company, it could be the type of analysis. I'm not specific about that, but I want you to have some kind of a trend in the 4 articles, the 2 old and the 2 new. You may have to read more than 2 of the old ones to find 2 that are related, but once you read over some, pick 2 of them to work with, and then find 2 newer ones, and then prepare a written report that shows the use of the vocabulary terms, those basic terminologies, in the real world. How are the companies using this, and discuss it using both the old and the new examples of how they're using descriptive analytics. So you're going to bring that written report in. I'm not looking for a 5-page report. I'm looking for just 1 or 2 pages, single-spaced, few paragraphs that describes the terms that you found that were interesting, that you found people were using, what they were doing with it, and then talk about the articles. So it'll take you at least 6 to 8 paragraphs, I'm thinking, to talk about a paragraph per article and what was going on and how it relates to the terms and what the vocabulary terms were that you felt were most important. So you're going to write this up and then come into class, and we'll talk about it together in class next Wednesday. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I hope that this helps you understand what I'm looking for your descriptive analytics project, and you're going to do the same basic outline for the predictive analytics project that will follow this one. So let me know if you have questions. Otherwise, I will look forward to seeing you in class next Wednesday.